If you just got a G-Shock, or you had one for a while and still can't figure out how to set the time, you're not alone. I actually struggled with this first time too, because the button system isn't as obvious as it looks. So let me show you the fastest way to set it up properly. What's up guys, welcome back. This is Casio G-Shock GA2100, also known as Casioak, and this one is actually modded version. If you want your G-Shock to look like this, I have a full tutorial on my channel. It costs around $60 to make it. Alright, first step, press and hold the top left button until it beeps. This is basically the setting mode, where everything starts. Use the bottom left button to move through settings. Each time something starts flashing, that means you can change it. As you can see, now it's ours. Now use the right side button to adjust the values. And if you hold them down, it goes faster, which helps a lot. So now, let's set the time, and when you're finished, press the top left button. Honestly, once you learn this, it becomes super easy. Also, if you're into G-Shock, you might like what I did with mine. I actually modded this GA2100 to look like this Casioak style on my wrist. And I have a full video showing exactly how I built it, step by step. And that's it, you're done. Once you know it, it takes less than a minute. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe and check out the mod video if you want your G-Shock to look like this.